Welcome back to Brain Hacks, the ultimate source of inspiration and empowerment for unleashing your full potential. Today we embark on a transformative journey as we explore the captivating world of communication skills. Together, we will unlock the secrets to effective communication and personal growth. In this video, we delve into 5 essential strategies and techniques for improving your communication skills. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success in both personal and professional realms. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's dive in. Strategy number 1, active listening. Effective communication begins with being fully present and actively listening to others. By giving your undivided attention, you show respect and understanding, fostering meaningful connections. Active listening involves not only hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. By practicing active listening, you create a safe and supportive space for open dialogue and collaboration. Strategy number 2, clear and concise expression. The way we articulate our thoughts and ideas shapes the impact of our communication. By expressing yourself clearly and concisely, you ensure your message is understood and resonates with others. Clarity in communication eliminates confusion and prevents misunderstandings, allowing your message to shine through. By organizing your thoughts, choosing impactful words, and avoiding unnecessary jargon, you make your communication more relatable and engaging. Strategy number 3, nonverbal communication. Our body language, facial expressions, and gestures play a significant role in communication. By being aware of and effectively utilizing nonverbal cues, you enhance your overall message and connection with others. Nonverbal communication includes elements such as eye contact, facial expressions, posture, and hand gestures. By aligning your nonverbal cues with your words, you convey sincerity, confidence, and empathy. Master the art of nonverbal communication and watch your connections deepen. Strategy number 4, empathy and understanding. Genuine connection and effective communication are built on empathy and understanding. By putting yourself in others' shoes and seeking to understand their perspective, you foster an environment of trust and mutual respect. Empathy allows you to connect on a deeper level, validate others' feelings, and respond with compassion. By seeking to understand before being understood, you create a space for open and authentic dialogue. Strategy number 5, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a vital component of effective communication. By understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and empathizing with the emotions of others, you foster stronger connections and navigate conflicts with grace. Emotional intelligence enables you to navigate sensitive conversations, diffuse tension, and build bridges of understanding. By being aware of your own emotional triggers and responding thoughtfully, you create a positive and supportive communication environment. As we conclude this captivating exploration of communication skills, I encourage you to embark on a personal journey of growth and improvement. Thank you for joining us today on Brain Hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our future episodes.